LCM of 3 or more numbers. To find the LCM of 3 or more numbers, like in this example, find the LCM of 12, 18, and 24. You would find that to do this using the list of their multiples would be a bit difficult, which is why when you are dealing with large numbers or multiple numbers like in 2s, 3s, 4s, 5 like that, it is safer to use the prime factorization method. So let's try this. Solution. You can first go on to write the individual prime factors of these numbers, that is, expressing them as products of their prime factors. Or you could just do it together as we have done before. So we write them into columns. 12, 18, and then 24. We're trying to express as the product of their prime factors. Now the first prime number that goes is 2. 2 will go in 12 6 times, in 18 9 times, in 24 12 times. Now you will find that 2 will still divide 6 and 12 without remainder, but it will divide 9 to have a remainder, but we still go on to use 2. And 2 in 6 is 3. Then you write down 9 as it is, and then 2 in 12 would be 6. Now 2 can still go, so we write down our 3 and 9, and then 2 in 6 would be 3. Now that 2 cannot divide any of this without a remainder, we go to the next prime factor, which is 3. 3 in 3, 1. In 9, 3. In 3, 1. And then 3 here, 1, 1, and 1. Now our LCM of 12, 18, and 24 would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Another way to write this is to put it in index form. And 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3 will give you 8, that is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. And then 3 times 3 would give us 9. Now what do you get as 8 multiplied by 9? That will give us 72. And that is the LCM of 12, 18, and 24. Thank you.